sometimes we need to split data or split the cells or rows. So how to split rows or columns? So now if we suppose we need to split from here and we want to see the upper datas but do not want to see the lower datas moving. So here we have clicked here on this A5 cell, and then from view menu we will go to the view menu and then we'll click split. So after that we have seen that there is a big like gray border. So here we can see that there is two scroll bars, one is here, one is there. So when we scroll down the upper sided data, then the lower sided data from A5 is not moving. You can see here. So when we click on this scroll bar, we can see the data from the lower part from A5 is moving, but the upper sided one is not moving. So here we will show another way. So now we will show this column way. So we can choose any column, and then if we click on split, then we will be able to see these two scroll bars here. So we can see and we can move one side data from one side and the other side will be static. So in this way we'll be able to split our screen or split our workbook or worksheet in horizontal and vertical ways.